Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I have an idea that I'd like to share with you. I have been doing ACT training and consulting for more than 25 years. And what generally happens is once you get a little bit of training from me, what you have to do is you've got to go back and take that training, take the consulting, take the ideas that I've taught you, and after you learn them, you've got to go back and implement them. And it occurred to me that, wait a minute, what if I could work with you a little bit more one-on-one and help you jumpstart this process by acting as a salesperson, even in the short term? We can talk about clients and prospects. We can talk about different ways to follow up. We can talk about ACT marketing automation and different ways to use tools to sell more. So I can become a part of your plan for making ACT do more things for you. I can offer new ideas. I can give you some opportunities to work with me. And also, with all of that information about ACT, I also bring other skills to the table. I like to write. I do web design with WordPress. I like to think I'm creative, and evidence of that is more than 1,000 videos on YouTube. I work with different tools like Calendly, and all these tools make your experience with ACT better. So to start, we do a little bit of goals and planning. We talk about what is it we want to accomplish moving forward. Next, we can focus on lead generation. I do not have to be an expert at your business to get you jump-started with lead generation. Good writing can overcome lack of knowledge. Good preparation can overcome lack of knowledge. I'm a big fan of ACT's tool called ACT Marketing Automation, and this is one of the best ways to learn about your contacts in ACT, how they interact with you, are they opening your emails, are they aware you exist, and it's a great and phenomenal tool. There's so many levels to it. This is a great starting point to get you kick-started in the right direction. After that, we can work on what we've learned from sending out that email through ACT Marketing Automation to send more targeted individual emails to people. And again, I can help you with the writing of these emails. So there's a couple ways I can approach this. I can approach this on an hourly basis and also talk to you about some profit sharing. Call it commissions, profit sharing, however you want to work. Consider booking me for a day, half a day, a week. But let's start this sales process together so that I can take all my knowledge based on your experience with your business to help you jumpstart this whole process. I'd like to help you sell. If you're interested, do me a favor, give me a call, let's have a discussion, and let's see where we can go with this and what we can accomplish with this. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much. You have a great day. Bye now.